Hello friends, so welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you in a very quick way how you can set up your own banking website. All right, are you looking for a very good banking script website with no knowledge of code? Do you want to build this beautiful fancy website where your users will be able to pay bills, take loans, do fund transfer and save on your platform? This is the best scripted website for you. And one thing is that you don't have to be a programmer, a coder to be able to build this beautiful website. It comes with a lot and a tons of features that are good and for you. You could actually see the admin aspect of the website where you will be controlling. I'm going to be showing you in a step-by-step process on how you can install the script for yourself. All right, your users will be able to get a virtual card. They'll be able to have their personal wallet. Your users will be able to make transfer by card, use your website to pay any kinds of bills. All right, they'll be able to pay bills across countries and transfer across countries and a lot more. It comes with a lot of features that you will love. All right, and like I said, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to be a coder to be able to build this kind of website. I've made this video in a step-by-step process where I'll walk you through the process of getting the script, installing the script, and everything you need to know. As long as you follow this video, you'll be good to go in setting your own banking website that is looking beautiful as this. And the good thing is that everything on this website is editable. You can change them, you can make them to suit your brand the way you want it, and a lot more. And if you learn this skill, the good thing is that you can make a lot of money, right? You can make up to 500 to 400 to 700,000 from this. And what do you need to do? Just learn how to do this. I'm pretty the video is totally free for you and it's on YouTube, so you could see that it comes with a lot of payment gateways. We have a PayPal, Stripe, Money, Perfect Money, Coinbase. So it doesn't just come with your normal cash payment or cash transfers, it also comes with your cryptocurrencies and a lot more. So you have payments, we have Paystack, we have Flutterwave, we have CoinGate, we have a lot more. You have your Binance, your Razorpay. The payments are so much more. And so with all of this, you'll be able to set up your system and your users will be able to enjoy things like they'll be able to enjoy new blog content. They will upgrade them and tell them about the latest investment. They will have a live chat, and also you also have a reward point, so your users can be rewarded for every transaction they carry out on your website, and a lot more. It has your portfolios too for users to get to know about the company and a lot more and see how it works. So what are you waiting for? Follow me, let's get this site up and running for you in no time. And I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I release new videos. So let us go and let us get started. I'll meet you there. All right, let's go. All right, so welcome. So we're going to go right into how you can create your own banking website. All right, so I'm going to set it up for you and show you how you can set it up. And this video is going to be short, a very short one, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the script and setting you up. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to get your hosting and a domain name, and for me I always recommend Namecheap. All right, for some people who are scared of their account being banned, you should literally test out Hostinga. All right, but there's one thing I'm going to eventually tell you. If you don't know how to go about getting your hosting and domain, you can actually reach out to me and I'll help you do that. It's pretty simple. All right, so I already have my hosting and domain. Now if you don't have a Namecheap account, all right, but you have another hosting, all right, just go well to just look for your cPanel, go into your cPanel. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. For people using Hostinga, it's pretty simple. You still have to just go into your hPanel and set all of this. Now if you're looking for how to set up install script on your hPanel, just check out my video. But that's not on this particular one. I use it for some other script, but the thing is that you could just take the step-by-step process and use it in the same way. It's all the same thing. All right, so the next thing you want to do is click on Start for File Manager. Now the thing is, for me, I'm not going to be using a domain directly. I'm going to be using a subdomain. All right, so basically if you're just getting this for the first time and you want to just use it, okay, the best way is to use your domain. All right, just go to your public_html and you'll be able to put in the script. But for me, I'm going to make use of a subdomain here. Now I already have my script I'm going to be installing on the subdomain, right? I have it here, but I'm just going to show you how you can install yours. Okay, so once you get this file, you'll be getting it as this main.zip file. So you'll be getting at this the main.zip file. All right, so what you want to do is you want to click on upload here. Now we're going to select the file, so I'm just going to select it. All right, so for me it's going to be saying the file already exists. Okay, so for you, once you get it, is you have this rolling stuff. All right, so you just allow it to load completely, and once it shows complete, you literally will just go over here. Okay, it will just take you back to this place. All right, so the reason I don't want to go all through that, because it's going to take a lot of time, so just make sure it's you pause the video, allow your script to upload completely. Then when you're done with that, just come here to right click. Now just reach out to me if you need this script. So come here to right click and click on extract here. All right, so once you click on extract files, just give it a couple of minutes. And you will get this. Okay, so we're just going to click on close. All right, so the script has been completely extracted. Now what I want you to do is go to your subdomain if you're using a subdomain, but if you're using your main domain, also go to your main domain and just click on enter, or just type in your main domain. I'll give it some time to load up. Now you're going to get all of this. Okay, so make sure that all of this is that is checked green. All right, so click on next step. So you're going to put in your license code here, and we're going to activate it. All right, click on next. Yeah, we're going to be doing a few things. Okay, so first we need to create our database name and database username, and also generate the password for our database. Then we're going to link our database to this script, and everything will be fully set up. It's that simple. All right, so I'm just going to go back to my cPanel, and here we're going to be searching for data. You're going to be seeing database, not this database. Don't use this. Go with MySQL, this one here. All right. Now if you notice, I'm taking you in a step-by-step process, okay, to make sure that you don't make mistake. All right, so if you follow this video in a step-by-step, you'll be able to successfully install the script, and you can go on to start using it, setting it up for yourself and start using it. All right, so the first thing I want to do is, I think I have a database I want to delete, so I'm just going to be deleting this one here. So basically this is how to delete a database, but make sure to be very careful, because once you delete a database, you cannot retrieve it again. It's gone. All right, so I'm just going to also delete the user 2025. I think I used it for something, so let me close this. So I'm just going to delete this. Now the reason I'm deleting is because I want to recreate using the same name. All right, so you could use any name you want. Okay, so let me use just 1111. Okay, oh, 111. All right, so I'm just going to click on create. Oh, before I forget, please do not forget to click on that notification bell and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, so you get updates on when I release more videos. Support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and if you want to go further to support us, I'll keep a link in the description below so that you could support us with anything you want to. All right, that being said, I will go down here. I'm going to be creating, so what we've created first is our database. Now we're going to be creating the user that will be linking the database with. I remember I love to use the same number or name I use for the database also for the same user, as it will help us in identification and it makes it a whole lot simpler for us. Then I also go with a password generator. So once you generate your password, I like to cut and paste back, then, or you can just copy it, right, and save it in where you could find it. All right, click on I have copied the password and click on use password. All right, so once you do that, you can just click on create user. Now this is a Flight Studios channel. What our goal is to make sure to help you learn how to build any kind of website. Not only that, but also providing you with tools that makes it very fast and easy, instead of you to go through the long process of writing codes and complex codes. So in this way, you'll be able to set up your website in less than 5 minutes. The tops you can use for all this kind of website is an hour. All right, so I'm just going to go back here, click on go back. So what we've been able to do is we've been able to create a database and a database user. All right, the last thing we want to do is to link these two together. All right, remember not to forget your password. What I love to do is once I generate my password, I like to come here to paste it. Now I've made a very serious mistake. All right, now this will be helpful for you in case you forget your password. So basically I was supposed to paste my password here, but I mistakenly copied the name here. So the password I actually copied, I can't find it again. The simplest way to go about this is come back here. All right, and under your database here, so we have the 111, right? So what we want to do is, so just go down here under this place, under the user. So we're going to click on change password here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll just make use of the password generator here. So remember to copy. All right, may I have to cut, then paste it back to be sure I've copied the right thing. Then click on I've used password. So you click on save changes, on change password anyways. All right, so it has been successfully saved. Just click on OK to take you back. Meanwhile, like I said, I like to paste in my password, but this is not where we're going to be pasting the password. So yeah, I'm going to paste it here. All right, when we do that, like I said previously, what we want to do is we're going to link the user and the database. So make sure you're choosing one. That's what we call a database as a username. All right, so you click on add. All right, so just click on all privileges here, so you can click on make changes. All right, successful. Now because I chose to use the same name, I just need to copy one. All right, so it's the same, both the username and the database are all the same. So I'm just going to call for the database name, I'm going to paste it. Then the username, I'm going to paste this here. So you could leave this as this, or you could also change this database host to localhost, but for me I'll just leave it for now. So just click on next. So the next step is going to import the database that the system is going to be using. All right, so you say database database connected successfully. Now we're going to click on import the database. All right, so our database has successfully imported, SQL imported successfully. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give this a admin email address and the password, which is basically our username and password. So I'm just going to call this admin at, so I'm going to use admin at admin.com. So I'm also going to use it as our password, right? Then click on submit. And voila, we have been able to successfully install this whole script. All right, so I'm just going to right click here and click open. So I want to open all of this in a different tab, but because we have not created any user, we'll not be able to open this. So I'm just going to click on admin. So I right clicked and open a different tab for our landing page, which is the front end of our website. Then we also have the admin aspect of the website here. Now you could see this is the admin login, where we're going to be logging in as an admin. So I'm going to be showing you some of the features this banking web script comes with. All right, so banking script is a banking website, but first let's go to the front end and you can see how beautiful it is. Your users can sign up. All right, your user can sign up. Now it also comes with dark, all right, and light theme, so you can see how beautiful it is. Your users can log in if they already have an account. Right, you would see it comes with a lot of features. You have your deposit, you have your DSPs, your FDRs, transaction withdrawal, our powerful solution, fund transfer. Your users can transfer fund, can take a loan, can use your system to pay bills, so basically the process is to sign up, start banking, collecting payment, and enjoy banking. So it's a beautiful thing. All right, it also comes with plans and all, but you could do well to just go through all of this yourself after installing. But let's go into the admin aspect. So I'm just going to log in. as an admin. We're going to be seeing how the admin works, and one of the most of the features you're going to be coming with. So this website is mind-blowing, right? Because you could do a lot of things. On your admin dashboard, you come with your total user, active users, disabled users total. It's beautiful. It comes with a lot of tracking, right? You could see your statistics, your fund transfer, and a lot of that. And the thing is this, for many people that want to go and get this script as a node version of this script, you'll be making a very big mistake, because many of those versions have been infected with viruses. And not just that, you have a lot of the versions that are cracked that are still not good. Okay, so you should be careful. Do well to send me a message, we could talk. All right, so it comes with it comes with more than one landing page. All right, so we're going to click on appearance, we're going to click on site theme. It's come with about 2 site themes, so in case you don't want to use this, you could use the second one. And the beautiful thing is that all of these are editable. All right, the script provider make sure that you can be able to edit a lot of these things and change them. All right, so it comes with this, and it also comes with a corporate theme, right? There's a default theme and a corporate theme. It comes with virtual card, so your users can actually get a virtual card. The virtual card works with Stripe. So if you're in countries that make use of Stripe, this is really going to be a sweet script for you. All right, so if you're with other countries that doesn't make use of Stripe, for most African countries, it comes with Flutterwave. I think Flutterwave for all your payments and bill payments. You just need to open an account with Flutterwave and link it to your website, and your users will be able to pay bills all across the country, receive money, transfer money, and a lot more. Users will have access to their wallets, they will have access to invest and also get profit, and so much more. And you have a lot of payment gateways. Now, payment gateways ranges from Stripe to Flutterwave to Paystack to a lot more. I think Razorpay is here, and a lot more. So like I promised, this is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you how to install the script, and which I have successfully showed you. Do well to subscribe, do well to reach out to me if you need this beautiful banking script for yourself, for your business, and other businesses out there, or if you want to create it for somebody. This is it. So it comes with a lot of settings. So you have your SMS settings, so you can send your users SMS whenever they make the transfer, and a lot. You have email settings. It is SEO friendly, and so much more. So you could see some of the plugins. We have your live chat, we talk to live chat, we have your Google Analytics, we have your Facebook Messenger if you want to integrate Facebook Messenger to your website. We have different payments. We have Reload, we have Tagger, we have Flutterwave, we have Block, we have Stripe virtual card. So these are the different third-party systems that you can use for bill payment and a lot more. So there are other systems that are included here for your payment, and those ones are a lot more. All right, so like I said, this is a very short video. If this video was helpful to you, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and support this channel. If you need the script, do well to reach out to me. Be very careful not to go and get node script that are broken and all. Everything about the scripts is working in perfect condition, so do well to reach out to me. Let's see how we can make this possible for you. But apart from that, this video is for educational purposes. I do not give investment advices. I do not give advices on investment and all. I help people build websites, WordPress websites, and also show them how to build that. My name is still remember to Brown, and this is Light Studios. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll catch you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe again, like, click on that notification button so you can get notifications when I release new content. Thank you, and have a blissful and blissful day.